Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So, in last video, we have done the exercise on page number 46 and 47, 48. I hope you have completed your work in your notebooks. So, today we are going to do question answers of lesson number 7. So let's begin. We are going to start lesson number all about plants. D part, answer the following questions. So first question number 1, explain the difference between taproot and fibrous roots with the help of examples. So now I am going to write down the answer. Some plants like carrot, beetroot, etc. have a thick main root below the stem and many small roots growing sideways from the main root. These are called tap roots. Figure like this is your tap root. Here there are sideways many roots are there. So this is your taproots. Okay. Some plants like carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip have a thick main root. This is your thick main root below the stem and many small roots. See, these are the small roots growing sideways from the main root. So this is your main root and this is your small roots. So this is known as tap roots. Okay. Now we are going to write about the fibrous root. They have many thin roots. In that there are thick roots, right? Here is thin roots that spread out from the base of the stem. These are called fibrous root. Now figure for fibrous root we are going to draw. You can check it in a book. For the taproot it is on page number 42 and for fibrous root it is on page number 43. So these are thin, patli. So these are your fibrous root. They have many thin roots. These are your thin roots spread out, फैली हुई हैं from the base of the stem. These are your fibrous root. So your first answer is complete. Now, question number 2. Give any 4 functions of roots. Give any 4 functions of roots. So the answer for this is this will come from the question itself. The 4 functions of roots are column. First one, roots fix the plant firmly means tightly, firmly to the ground. जो रूट्स हैं वो प्लांट्स को टाइटली पकड़ लेता है, फिक्स कर देता है ग्राउंड के साथ. सेकेंड, रूट्स ऑब्जर्व वाटर and minerals from the soil which are used by the plant to make food. Second, roots will absorb water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plants to prepare their food. Third one, sometimes there is a shortage of food. Shortage means कमी हो जाना. Shortage of food, then people survive by eating roots such as sweet potato, yam, etc. When there is a shortage of a food, when there is a less food, shortage means कमी होना, when there is a less food, then people survive by eating roots such as sweet potatoes and jam, etc. Last one, plants like strawberry, and cherry produce buds along their root along their roots that grow near the surface of the ground. So plants like strawberry and cherries produce buds. वो क्या बनते हैं? Buds produce करते हैं. Along their roots के साथ भी that grow near the surface of the ground, जो कि ऑटोमेटिकली खुद ही surface of ground के पास grow होने start हो जाते हैं. Okay, so these are the 4 functions of a root. Now we proceed towards the third question. Question number 3. What is photosynthesis? This I hope you have already read in your last classes also. So answer for it is the process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water into food using energy from sunlight. If we see in a simple words, the process of preparing food, when the green plants prepare their food using sunlight, that process is known as photosynthesis. Now in this answer, the process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water. When the carbon dioxide and water are converted into the food through. So complete this work in your notebook. Click picture and send it me through assignment so that I can check it. So that's all for the day.